So, hello everyone. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about drama therapy. Again, goals of drama therapy and conceptual basis of drama therapy and stages of drama therapy. So, first, what is drama therapy? So, when it comes to drama therapy, it's kind of a psychotherapy where they will use storytelling, improvisation, imagination, and role play. Okay, to help people express emotion, to solve their problems, and to improve their mental health. For example, a adult who feels angry toward a parent, okay, they may be role play as a conversation with the parent, okay, and they express feeling that they never said before, and they may experience emotional relief. So this is how drama therapy will work, okay, and conceptual basis of drama therapy. So there are 10 conceptual basis of drama therapy. The first one is creative expression and communication. So when it comes to drama therapy, okay, there are role play, storytelling, and imagination to help people express feelings. To sometimes people are not able to verbalize their emotion, verbalize what they are feeling. But in drama therapy, they can express their emotion, express their feeling through drama or role playing or improvisation. So that is the first thing of considered based on drama therapy. They can use creative expression and to communicate their emotions. For example, you can say a child maybe feels angry at school. May not say I'm angry, but in drama therapy, what they will do is they maybe act like a lion who roars slowly, and through acting, the child expresses anger safely. So this is how uh, drama therapy works with expressing the emotions and communicating with others. Some people will not be able to talk their emotions, can't verbalize their emotion. For them, trauma therapy is helpful to express their emotions. The first thing is, and again, second one is psychodynamic and psychoanalytic concept. So we know this idea was given by Sigmund Freud and other psychoanalytic thinkers. What this is, it is sometimes that we have painful feelings in our unconscious mind. Okay, and drama therapy here that helps bring those in hidden feelings out through acting. Okay, for example, projection. They will use this kind of things, ideas. Okay, first one is projection, where we will show your feelings through another character. That is projection and identification, connecting yourself with the another character. And third one is transference. Okay, we will show you feelings towards the therapist. Okay, that actually belong to someone else, like a parent, like that. Okay, for example, a person who feels hurt by their father, they may be actor, sister king in a drama. Okay, so their role in the king, they express anger they never expressed before, and acting helps release suppressed emotions. Okay, and drama therapy was a way to explore and help people to expose their unconscious feelings and emotions. And third one is developmental perspective. So when it comes to human life and this perspective talk about development psychologists, okay, but like Gian Piaget and Erickson, they believe that people they grow and develop in different stages, like childhood, they will grow and develop into adolescence, and from adolescence to adulthood. Okay, drama therapy also helps people to grow emotionally. For example, for children, we can use role playing to improve their imagination and social skills. And also for teenagers, we can use acting out peer pressure or maybe helps them practice decision making like that. And for adults, okay, we can use reenacting life events so they can help them understand themselves better, and they can easily help heal emotional wounds as well. Okay. And drama therapy use supports healthy emotional and psychological growth from children to adult. Okay, and the next one is role theory. So role theory, which talks about in life we will all play different roles like parent, student, teacher, friend, leader, etc. So these roles, what it will do is it will influence how we think, how we feel, and how we behave to others. So in drama therapy, what people do, people act to different roles to understand themselves better. For example, we can say a person who feels powerless. Okay, at work maybe they role play as a confident leader, so while acting, they experience confidence and realize, and they can have behave differently in real life as well. Okay. And the next one is a play theory. When it comes to play theory, so play theory says that play is a natural and important for learning and emotional growth. So especially children, it will be very helpful while they are playing in their language. For example, a child who experiences fear may use dolls to act out scary situation. Through play, what the child will do, child changes the ending to a happy one. Then this helps the child to feel safe and in control. And when it comes to educational drama pedagogical models. So this idea comes from the drama educators like Dorothy and Bolton. Okay, what they did is so this models believe okay, what this believe this is just drama is just not for acting. It also is a powerful way to learn and change. For example, a class creates an imaginary village facing a water crisis. Okay, student act as a villagers or leaders and problem solvers, and through the drama they learn teamwork and responsibility and empathy. Also, they will find one solution to the problem. And the next one is symbolic interactionism. So when it comes to symbolic interactionism, it talks about people who understand the world through symbols and interaction with others. So symbol can be either be words, gestures, objects, or roles, anything. So in drama therapy, what people use is symbol to express their feelings and understand themselves better. So example, a client use a mask to represent their happy outside face. So during the session, they remove the mask, okay, and to express their to remove the marks and talk about their hidden sadness. Okay, and eighth one is about aesthetic distancing. So it comes to aesthetic distancing, or aesthetic distancing means which creates a safe emotional space while acting. Okay, and when there is a aesthetic distancing, there is a that there is equal amount of emotions and equal amount of cognitive reflection. If there is only emotion, is there people not able to engage in cognitive reflection and understand their emotions. If there is more cognitive reflection and if there is less emotions involved, then people not able to understand their emotions as well. So there should be a balance between both emotional and cognitive reflection. So that is called aesthetic distancing, which maintains in drama therapy. Aesthetic distancing is very important to express the emotions as well, and we should engage in cognitive reflection as well. For example, a woman may acting a painful memory, okay, and plays as a character instead of herself because it feels why he's like to do like that is because he feels like distant. Okay, so when we are acting like herself, it will be more emotional involved. She will face more emotionals in that. So when she is acting out with another character, she will face emotional distance from that, so there will be cognitive reflection in that as well. So then she can talk about it without becoming overwhelmed. So that is one of the reason. And the ninth one is catharsis. We know catharsis means of venting out emotional emotions. Okay, and in drama therapy, when people express deep emotions like through acting, they may feel relief and emotional cleaning will be there. And for example, a person who suffers the grief, so they will act out saying goodbye to a loved one. Okay, they cry during the scene, or afterward they will feel like a combo. Okay, and the last one comes to therapeutic relationship. Like other therapy also, trust should be there between the therapist and the client, and drama therapy is very important. So the client feels safe and supported. They can express themselves freely, very freely. For example, a client is shy at first, okay, because the therapist is warm and non-judgmental. The client slowly begins to participate in role play, and over time they will feel confident and they will healing will increase in that. So this is the 10 conceptual basis of drama therapy, and